So this problem's a little ugly. Okay, this is a Regis problem that was on a June exam. I can't remember how many years ago, but it's just long. Okay, so we've got two pools. We're filling them up with water. It tells us how much water costs, and we also have to convert this stuff to gallons. Okay, it also says they fill their pools 6 inches from the top, so they don't fill them all the way up. All right. Now, this is inches, everything else is feet. All right. So this is 0.5 feet. All right. Not 6 inches. So that means this isn't 4 feet deep. It's 3.5 feet deep. And this isn't 4 feet deep. It's 3.5 feet deep. All right. So there's all of that little stupid stuff in the beginning that I have to deal with. All right. So let's figure out what's in the two pools. Rectangular pool is a rectangular prism. So its area of the base, 30 times 15 times 3.5. Okay, let's figure that volume out. 30 times 15 times 3.5. 1575. Okay, and that's the volume. That's feet to the third. This one is circular pool. Now you got to be careful here. That's a cylinder. So it's pi. Radius is 12 because the diameter is 24. And then that's pi r squared times h. So pi times 12 squared times 3.5. 1583.362. 1583.362. They've got very similar amounts of water. That should make sense. Okay? Then it says down here, kind of buried, after all the costs, it says 1 cubic foot of water equals 7.48 gallons. Okay, this is how many cubic feet I have. So each of these should get multiplied by 7.48. But if you're not sure, you should make a proportion. And it would be 1 cubic foot, 7.48 gallons, this many cubic feet, X gallons, and you would cross multiply. And you would end up multiplying the cubic feet times the gallons. All right, so let's do that. So 1575 times 7.48. I need 11,781. 11,781 gallons for that one. Okay, and then this one, I need to multiply that number times 7.48. 11,843. So X equals 11,843.552. All right, now I'm going to back up here a second. Okay, so it just says who paid more to fill the pool. All right, so then Teresa fills her pool at a city rate of $3.95 per 100 gallons of water. So now I got to start thinking about this. This is how many gallons this person needs total. So they pay $3.95 for 100 gallons. $3.95 for 100 gallons. This person needs 11,781 gallons. So now I'm going to cross multiply this, and I'm going to get 100x equals whatever that number is. So 11,781 times 395, and I get 46534. Whoops. 46534.95, and I'm going to divide that by 100. And when I do that, I'm going to get x equals 465.3495. This is money now, so it's 465.35. Okay, so that's how much that person has to pay. This person over here pays $200 for 6,000 gallons. So they pay $200 for 6,000 gallons. They don't know how much they're paying, and they have 11,843.552 blah 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 gallons. So I'm going to get 600 x equals 200 times that. And I get 23687,23687,10.594. Divide that by 600. And hopefully I get something that's relatively the same. I don't think I did anything wrong there. Divided by 6. Oh, it's 6,000. Not, hang on. It's not 600. It's 6,000. That's why. Okay, so more mistakes. 394.785. 394.785. Blah blah blah. It's money, so it's 394.79. Who paid more? Right? Who paid more to fill their pool? This person right here, which is good old Teresa. Okay, that is a ton of work. That was probably the most involved one they've had. But you know, I tell everybody when they're doing stuff like this, find the volume. Okay, find the volume and see what you can do. All right, and really what you ended up doing was taking each of these and finding the volume. You could have found a unit cost. All right, how much does 1 gallon of water cost for each of those, and then just multiplied it by that. There's lots of other ways to go about it. Thankfully, you'll probably see one problem that has anything to do with this, and it's normally not nearly that difficult.